Hi, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to add a live chat option to your Wix.com website. So to start with, go over here on Add Elements here, and then go down to Contact and Forms and Wix Chat. Now choose an icon that you like for your website. I'm just going to go with this simple one here. And now you're going to add Wix Chat in just a moment. From here, we can see that we have the Let's Chat icon down here. And now we can either open Inbox or we can go to settings to customize it. In this case, we don't really care about the customization, but more about setting it up. So go here and click Open Inbox. And now you're going to be taken to your Wix inbox where you can chat with your customers. So that means that if you're on your Wix.com dashboard like this, simply go over here on the left-hand side menu and click Inbox here. And then you can see all the chats that you have open on your Wix.com website with any potential customers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can open a live chat on your Wix.com website. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help you.